Yeah, hi guys. I'm about to prepare jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice with this is an already made stew. You can use it. There's so many other ways you can cook jollof rice, but I have already made stew in my fridge, and I think it's just time to finish it off. So this has been washed with warm water. This is rice. It's been washed with warm water. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna pour it in, and I will stir it. Now I'm gonna add my spices. You know, you will see one of the brand is a Nigerian brand, but it's just a food sauce. And I have this is in here is ginger, blended ginger. I have my chicken seasoning, and I have my curry goat seasoning. Also, I have my sardine as well. So I'm gonna add more water. Time to taste the seasoning. Any salt? Time to cover it. Gonna put the time to 50 minutes. There you go. Cool. So let me test the rice. It's well cooked because I don't want the water to all dry up. That's how I cook my own jollof rice. I want it juicy. Amazing. It's okay. This is what it looks like.